Hey everybody, it's Jake from Freedom Physical Therapy again. Today I have a couple more exercises for overhead athletes that I'm going to go through, mainly working on strengthening for the shoulder and the rotator cuff, really to prevent you from any further injury from your sport. So the first exercise, we're going to be using a TheraBand. It's as a way that you can shut a TheraBand into a door or have a rack like this. The first exercise we're going to work on is internal rotation of the shoulder. So you're going to have the band at about shoulder height, starting here, giving yourself a guide to stay in good form. And what we want to do is rotate in, bringing your hand to the opposite elbow. Obviously enough tension where you're getting a good exercise, but not too much tension where you're not able to go through the full range of motion. So again, it should look like this. Elbow and shoulder at 90-degree angles. Just like that. Our next exercise will be in your throwing position. If you're right-handed, obviously like myself, you'll be this way. If you're left-handed, it will be opposite. You're going to have, if you're right-handed, your left foot will be forward as if you're going through your throwing motion. Your shoulder will be up at your side, again, 90-degree angles, and you're going to rotate inwards just like this. Trying to avoid bringing the elbow in a different position. Really out at the side, keeping the elbow stable, just rotating at the shoulder. And the last exercise will be on the opposite side. This time you're going to hold the TheraBand in your right hand still or your left. You're starting with your hand on your opposite elbow. This time you're rotating the opposite way. So from here, we're going to rotate up to a 90-degree angle and back down. Again, maintaining the 90-degree angle at the shoulder and at the elbow, right through this plane of motion. So those are 3 simple exercises to strengthen your rotator cuff. Hopefully those will help you to continue to excel in your sport.